Okay, here's the basement. Everyone, come on. Basement, basement, now. Here's the basement. It's super safe in here. There's no earthquakes. There's nothing here to hurt us. Just some things. Just hide somewhere. I need to go in this thing. Why? Because I'm a water. I'm going in here. Sweetie, do you think I need that? I'm going down here. Oh, I'm scared. Sissy, we want to be with you. Okay, I need this space. Come on, guys. Hurry up. Out. Come on, climb. We're scared. Okay, lay down. Sorry, guys. I fell down. Me too. Come on, guys. Riley. I need food. There's no more space. You gotta go on your own, Rileys. You gotta go on your own, Rye. I'm gonna go in here. This one has a door. Safe. Should be. I'm being in here. I don't want to get struck by lightning, and I can watch. I don't want to be on my own, sissy. Sis? Where am I going to go? Just go under here. I'm going in here. Where am I going to go? Just go somewhere. Hurry. That means I'm going down here. Actually, I'm going down here. Okay. Everything's set. Everything's ready. We have everything in here is squished in a corner. We're squished in a corner. And there's literally no way a zombie can come in. It's a zombie! It's trying to touch me! It's a zombie! It's a zombie! I need to have shelter. This is my thing. I'm gonna stay next to my daughter. Guys! My mother turned to a zombie! Ow! Ow! I'm going in here. I don't want to be struck. I don't want to be in here. Hey, Riley, you're not done yet. Riley, get out of there. Why? The zombies can eat you. Go on top of me. Okay, you gotta go on your own. I'm not. Come on, Mom. You can go over there. Come on, you go in. You have this space. We're gonna be right under you. Repeating. We're gonna be right under you, so you don't have to worry. Don't worry. Your brothers are under you, and I'm gonna be here. So yeah. Now, who shot me? Be warning, we are actually going to be your guardians for today. Guardians? Why do we need guardians? So none of you gets doing anything and stuff while the zombies are coming. Zombie! Roll out! Hey, zombie! Stop! This is my normal form. It's just I looked like the same thing when I was a zombie. Oh. Come on. Ow! Honey, I'm so sorry. Oh, I'm so sorry. Come on. We have to go. Bye. Okay, the earthquake's not starting yet, but should. Hey, don't do that. We're gonna make it start. There's a food bowl and water bowl there. There's a food bowl and water bowl out. So you need to go outside to get it. But the earthquake's starting. squished. But we have to. It's our only chance. Mom, just go in your thing. We're gonna be fine. You two. What? Go in there. There's no chance of you getting hurt. Well, the door's opening. The earthquake. Oh no. It's starting so much. It's shaking. Riley, don't. The earthquake's over. Everyone, the earthquake. The earthquake's over. No, Riley. She hit the wall. No. We need to take her to the hospital now. But it's too late. Everything's messed up, and then nothing can hurt it. There's nothing that we can do to save her. Everyone, let's go back inside. Go back into the house, please. Thanks for watching.